Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working on mobile data. If Safari works on Wi-Fi but not on mobile data, the problem is usually caused by your cellular settings, network connection, or Safari restrictions. So here's how to fix it on your iPhone. So first, make sure your mobile data is enabled for Safari. So open your phone settings, then tap cellular or mobile data, then ensure cellular data is turned on. Then scroll down and make sure Safari or apps that Safari relies on isn't restricted. Now, next is to check your cellular signal. Now, if you have one or no signal bars, you can check it at the top right. So, if you have one or no signal bars, you can move to an area with better coverage. You can go back and toggle airplane mode on for about 30 seconds. Then, after 30 seconds, you can turn it off and connect to a mobile data and see if that works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So a simple restart can refresh your mobile network connection. So you can turn off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on and test Safari again and see if it works. Next is to reset network settings. So go to your settings, then scroll down to general, then scroll down and look for transfer or reset iPhone. Then in here, select reset, then select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and click reset network settings again to confirm the action. Now this removes save Wi-Fi passwords and network settings, but it does not delete your personal data. So once done, go ahead and go back to Safari and see if that works. Next is to check for carrier settings updates. So open settings. Once you're on settings, go to general. Now in here, go to about. Then wait a few seconds and if prompted, install the available carrier settings update. Then go back to Safari and see if that works. Next is to update iOS. So open settings again, then go to general, then go to software update and install if there's available updates. So once updated, open Safari again and see if that works. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.